Cancer. Cancer cells are cells that do not respond to the normal mechanisms that control cell growth and the cell cycle. So, the control over the growth of the cell and the cell cycle and its division by mitosis is lost. Cancer cells divide rapidly to form a mass of abnormally growing cells, which is what we call the tumor, which can invade surrounding tissues. In this case, we call the tumor invasive, and it is life-threatening. Malignant tumors. Malignant tumors are tumors that invade the surrounding tissues by the process called metastasis. If the tumor does not invade surrounding tissues by metastasis, it is a benign tumor and it is non-life-threatening. Malignant tumors are life-threatening. Cancer cells divide faster than normal cells. They live longer than normal cells. And they can disrupt tissue to the point that can kill a person. That is why when we have a malignant tumor, it is considered dangerous and life-threatening. What are the causes of cancer? Cancer is due to both genetic and environmental factors. 15% of human cancers are a result of a viral infection, so infections by viruses can actually give you cancer. The genetic material from the virus can trigger uncontrollable cell growth, like for example the human papillomavirus or HPV. Cervical cancer can be given from an infection by a virus. This is the human papillomavirus. Another cause besides viruses is mutations of normal body cells that become cancerous. As you get older, cancer becomes more common because you keep accumulating these mutations until at one point they are enough to trigger cancer.